Hi there, welcome to the MightyMeld tutorial. In this video, we would be building the movie details page for this application with MightyMeld. So that when you click on a movie thumbnail, it takes you to the page where you find more information on the movie. This is the design we would be working with. My project is already set up. And for this project, I'm working with the Chakra UI library. Let's get started. The first thing I want to do is create a new branch. All right, here you go. Next, I'm going to create the page and also the route. Import the movie details file here and create a dynamic route for it. Over here, you can see the file we just created. Let's navigate to the details page. To do that, click on this top bar, and in the paths, we can add the route name. In this case, I'll put in any value since it's a dynamic route. And here you go. I'm going to delete this and let's check out the design to see what we are starting with. So I'll need a box component to serve as a wrapper and a flex component to contain the image and the movie information. Come right here and drag this into the layout. This component for the movie details. Grab this heading for my movie title. I want to align items to flex start and give each a width of 50%. I need the image to take up full height and width of its container, so I'll give it 100% for both. For the language, category, and rating, I need a flex component and a vista component to contain the items. I don't need the spacing here. I'm going to give this a flex start alignment. And do the same here. Let's duplicate these to get the other items. And change the text. All right. Next on the list is the synopsis. I'm going to open this in VS Code to change the text. I'll give this an height of 60 VH and make sure each item takes up the full height. So this image has a sharp edge and I need it to be a bit rounded. Okay, looks good. This page needs a title. And I'm going to change the font size to 26px and font size of 24px here. Okay, here you go. Just a bit of spacing here. And let's check out the mobile browser. we have a bit of an alignment issue here. Let's give this a full height. All right, mobile view looks great. And this looks good also. Okay, I'm going to commit this and push to GitHub. Next step is to add the movie data. And this is what we have here. Over here at the store, I'm importing the data and initializing it as the state of our application. So let's grab the movies from the store and filter based on the route params to display. Come right here and replace the title. Also the same for category and rating. Looks good. Okay, let's change the image and the alt text. And this looks good. I need the bookmark function. I'll copy this and paste it right here. And I'm going to add a click event to the button. I also need to update the text to reflect the bookmark state. I'm also going to change the background color depending on the bookmark state also. All right, looks good. Okay, so let's add a link to the movie card so we can connect to the details page. Update the part. Okay, here you go. All right, I need a way to go back to the previous page and let's add a back button. All right, this is looking good already. Okay. All right, let's check out the diff. MightyMeld also formats our code for us, and you can see it has replaced the single quotes to double quotes, and this is because of my prettier config file. And that's because it's included in your MightyMeld.json file. So let's commit our changes to Git and push to GitHub. I like how I can immediately see the design updates as I make changes, and I particularly like the fact that I can see the different responsive states at a glance. And this is one of the advantages of using MightyMeld. Another feature that I really enjoy is the opening editor feature, which takes me directly to where I want in VS Code. And it's not just VS Code, it can also work with any code editor that you are using. The GitHub repo for this project is available in the description for you to play around with.